Hi guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing and testing the Tonor Tc-30. This is a budget-friendly USB microphone from Tonor that Tonor has sent to me to make this video and this review for you guys. Before we start, let's check what is inside of the box. One of the most important things that I see right here is that with this microphone you get a 2-year warranty on the product. Now let's open it up and see what is inside. Now, really good foam and really good packaging. Here's the instruction manual, of course. As always, we don't need this. One of the positive things about this microphone is that this includes the attachable cable. And this is something really good to see because not all of the budget-friendly microphones are going to include that. And to think what happens if your cable dies, well, in this case, you simply need to replace only the cable and you don't need to open it up and look everything inside to try to change the connection itself. Now, this is a USB Type-C cable, something that I love to see. Thanks Tonor to including this. This is one of the best connectors that you can have for your device. And as you can see, it's a pretty long cable. It's around 2 meters in length, so you can connect it into your PC and it's going to reach underneath the desk or behind your monitors, anywhere that you want to place the microphone itself. As you can see, the microphone comes with the attachable legs already installed into them, and it comes with an included shock mount that is going to help that you don't pick up vibrations of movement from the desk itself. You can adjust it anywhere that you want. And of course, if you want to set it up into a boom arm, you can simply deattach the legs and screw it in your boom arm. One thing to notice here is that this is of plastic, so I will not recommend you guys to set this up and off all the time of your boom arm because of the teeth themselves are made out of plastic. And the last thing that we see right here into the box is the included pop filter. That is something really nice to see, especially for the price of the microphone. Now, this is a plug-and-play microphone. What this means is that in the moment that you connect it in your PC, it's going to work. And this is what we're going to be doing right now. Let's set it up and see how this microphone sounds. Now, one thing to mention is that you have two versions of the microphone. One of them is the RGB, as you can see this one is, and you also have a little bit cheaper, the one that doesn't count with RGB. I'm going to be recording all of my tests into OBS because this is what I use mostly to record my videos when I'm sitting in front of the PC. And because I know that most of you, when you're going to be using a microphone like this one, are going to be using OBS to record your gameplay or your footage or tutorials, anything that you want to do with the microphone. It's perfect even if you want to use it only to play with your friends and to use it for Discord. Now, let's begin with the test. One thing that I have noticed with this microphone is that you don't need to speak loud, so this microphone picks up the noises. As you can see, right now I'm speaking in a normal voice, and the microphone is really not so close to my face. This microphone is so sensitive that inside of OBS I have to set mine to -7%, even if I'm this far away from the microphone, so the sound doesn't clip. This is something that I recommend you guys to have in your mind every time you set it up, that before you use it to start recording videos or speaking with your friends, I recommend you guys that you do a couple of recordings of it, that you hear them, and that you set up the volume what works best for you. This is an audio test of the Tonor Tc-30 RGB microphone. What do you guys think how the microphone sounds? Now I'm going to let you this same clip as two examples, one of them without filters and the second one with some filters added into DaVinci Resolve, that is the software that I use to record these videos. This is an audio test of the Tonor Tc-30 RGB microphone. What do you guys think how the microphone sounds? Now I'm going to let you this same clip as two examples, one of them without filters and the second one with some filters added into DaVinci Resolve, that is the software that I use to record these videos. So guys, what do you think about the microphone, about the sound? I think it's a really good looking microphone. The quality is perfectly fine, especially for the price. I enjoy that these have RGB, so you can show it up if you are making live streaming or recording some gameplay and you have a camera pointed into you and to the microphone. And I think that the sound is great. But what do you think? If you want to purchase it, guys, the link is going to be in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy the content and drop a like into the video because this really helps with the YouTube algorithm. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.